Hello everyone, welcome to Jayakody YouTube channel or TikTok channel. Today I am going to teach you about KDJ Tutor. KDJ Tutor is our latest release. Okay. By the way, first of all, I need to say how you can go to kdj.lk. Just type KDJ on Google. If you didn't get the result, so just type kdj.lk. That's all. Okay. Then you will be able to click on this KDJ link here. Now you will be able to see an amazing website. Actually, I don't know whether it's amazing or not. By the way, our apps, click our apps. Okay, then you will be able to see KDJ main apps here. Okay, these are the apps we release for now. Actually, apps means these are the application categories means actually inside the KDJ AI you will be able to see some sub applications. Inside the KDJ English you can see some sub applications. Okay, so like that I'm going to teach you about KDJ Tutor here. Just click on it. Now you will be able to see an interface like this. Here, just think you need some questions about ICT. Okay, actually this is just a AI generate part. Okay, now we are building something more powerful. Actually you will be able to generate the whole paper. Okay, maybe it's an MCQ. Okay, maybe it's an essay paper, whatever the thing you got. Actually you will be able to generate the whole paper, maybe with 40 questions or 60 questions or whatever you got. Okay, we are working on it. We will definitely release it as soon as possible. Guys, just think you got the subject as ICT. Okay, now you can select beginner, intermediate, advanced, universities, professional, grade 1 to 5, like that. Okay, whatever you choose, it's okay. Just click on this intermediate level and then you can type the topic area. Okay, just actually you have to shortly describe here. Just think about the networking part. Okay, you need some questions about networking. Okay, actually you can type some combinations also, maybe networking and operating systems, maybe networking and history, like that. Okay, now you have to type how many questions you need. Just if you select one, then you will be able to generate only one question. If you select two, then you will be able to generate two questions at one time. Okay, actually maximum is 4 for now. Okay, it doesn't matter actually. If you need 20 questions, so you can run it multiple times. That's all. Okay, you can run it multiple times, and this is a free, this is 100% free, and also you don't need to log in. That's the best part. Okay, you don't need to log in. Guys, here you can see how many answers you need. Actually I didn't test it much. By the way, you can click on, actually you can select five answers, or maybe 4 3 2 1. Maximum is 5. By the way, you will be able to see the explanation also. Actually I already programmed this to generate the explanation, but actually in the future you will be able to switch off if you don't need that. Okay, now just click on, actually select 4 here. Actually here you will be able to see you will be able to see essay type of questions also. However, now I'm going to click on this generate MCQ, so you will get 4 questions. Actually it will take some time to process, but I'm working on it. Actually I'm working on the on fasten up the process. Okay, but let's see how it works. For now, okay, yeah, now you can see the whole process is coming. Okay, cool. So this is the first question, and you can see 4 answers here. Okay, and correct answer is here, and also the explanation, like I said. And question 2, question 3, question 4. So now you got 4 questions. Now just think you need another question, so I'm going to say this is only one. Okay, I just need one question, and it's from beginner level, and I'm not going to change anything else, and generate MCQ. So now you got 4 questions, but however now the next question will be appended, as I remember. Okay, I don't actually I don't remember the tested part, but yeah, like I said, now you can see the question 4 here, and here question 5 here. Okay, the only thing is actually it doesn't have a question number here. That's the thing. Okay, what's the most common type of network cable is blah blah blah. By the way, you can edit here. Okay, you can edit like this, question 5, or if you need to go that line down, then you can do anything. So that's how I made that. Okay, actually I just needed to make you, actually I just needed to let you handle everything. Okay, maybe if you need to change the correct answer, okay, if you need to change some answers here, so you can do all things here. Okay, actually definitely we will provide export option also, so then you'll be able to export it. However, you can copy this by Control A and Control C, then you can open a Word document, and then you'll be able to paste every content into this document like this. Okay, this is so easy, right? Okay, by the way, this is how KDJ Tutor works for now, but as I promised, I will definitely release the next version with the paper making. Okay, maybe with some templates. I just think you need a paper, science paper, and to give students, then you will be able to generate the whole paper. Maybe as a student, if you need a paper to practice, okay, then you can generate the whole paper with 40 questions or 50 questions or whatever the count it is. By the way, you can do that. Okay, guys, there are so many tools here, so you can try it. This KDJ Tutor is the latest one. However, KDJ AI, actually I developed this, and actually this one is better if you want a free version of ChatGPT. Okay, if you say hi, then you will be able to get like this, get a result like this, and you can keep, actually you can continue with the conversation. Okay, and also if you need a coder, so you can see the coder here. Okay, coder means actually this is specialized for coding only. Okay, so you can ask anything. Maybe if you need to convert any code into another code, so you can do that by using KDJ coder, AI coder. This is not coder, AI coder. So AI tools are different. Okay, AI Imaginate is like if you need to generate a cat with a dog, then you can generate any type of image as you need it. Okay, here AI Translator, so actually this translator supports only for Sinhala yet, but in the sooner, actually I will definitely let you change the from language and source language and to language. Okay, so it will definitely come soon. And here AI summarizer, so this is a different type of a tool. So if you are a university student, so you can do that. So if you need to summarize the whole contents, maybe a PDF or whatever the thing, okay, actually still you can't attach, but definitely I will be able to provide the solution in the future. So for now, you can send about 4,000 or 5,000 characters. Okay, so then you will be able to summarize the whole content into maybe 2 paragraph or 3 paragraph or whatever you got. Okay, and about KDJ video, this is an amazing tool. So oh no, actually this is no AI video, so that's why. Okay, I have to fix that bug. Okay, by the way, KDJ video, so you have to go to the home page, then you have to click on it. I will definitely fix that bug. Okay, and here KDJ Undo, you can hide some things inside the image, and maybe in the future you will be able to see more options here. Okay, and KDJ Invoice, this is an amazing tool, so you can see some invoice now and quotation now like that. So here you can print an invoice. It's a temporary invoice, and also here quotation. Okay, so you can print a quotation like this. That's all. Actually you will get a printout. Okay, if you got a printer here, then you can select that printer and then print it. Okay, that's all. So it's so easy. It's an easy solution. And also you can see KDJ image. Oops, again. Okay, and I'm going to go with what, this one. Actually I think I have to fix this. By the way, I can go with this option here. Yeah, okay, I fixed it recently. Now I can see you can see convert images and compress images for now, but in the future you will get more and more. Okay guys, this is enough. I think you got an idea about how KDJ Tutor works, and please like, comment, share, and especially comment, because then I can actually I can make more things with the help of your comment especially, and it will be a motivation for me. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye.